Hi my babies, it's your girl Christina aka Naturally Nola. I'm back today with another Curlbox unboxing video, and this month's March 2020 Curlbox is going to be the Think Pink collection from Luster's Pink. And this is going to be the Shea Butter Coconut Oil for natural textured hair. Think pink with a little help from a classic brand. If Luster's was already a go-to moisturizer, you'll love the rest of this collection that's infused with nourishing nut oils, fruit essentials, and vitamin E. So come get pretty in pink. Okay, so baby, guess what? I haven't used pink products in so long, so I'm interested to see how these items will work on my hair. First impression, I don't really like the packaging, but okay. First, we have the Shea Butter Coconut Oil Sulfate-Free Moisturizing Shampoo. So a lot of the key ingredients that are in these products is going to be shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, wheat germ oil, vitamin E, and provitamin B5. Okay, and this is just a standard shampoo that gently clarifies your hair, removing product buildup, and it gently cleanses your hair and scalp without stripping away your moisture. And of course, it's always best to follow up with a good conditioner. So here we have the Shea Butter Coconut Oil Moisturizing and Smoothing Conditioner. This conditioner is uniquely formulated for dry and brittle hair. It restores and locks the moisture, smooths and softens your hair. Even dry, rough strands become ultra smooth and soft. Also, this Luster's Pink line has no mineral oils, no parabens, or animal proteins. Next, we have this Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Super Moisturizing Curl Definer for wash and go styling and twisting. It's also great for daily curl refreshing. This product says that it leaves your curls well defined and remarkably hydrated. It delivers a medium hold, customizable for a stronger hold. Just add a little bit of your favorite gel, and you're gonna be just fine, my baby. Lastly, this leaves no flaky residue, hardness, or crunch. Now, who doesn't love that? Oh yes, baby. Next, we have the Shea Butter and Coconut Oil Curl Popping Defining Gel. This gel defines natural coils and curls and is best for wash and go styling and twisting. Also great for daily curl refreshing as well. Lastly, this product has a great moisturizing formula, provides flexible hold, and it's non-drying and hardening. It's flake resistant, and it also imparts shine. Okay, baby, of course they had to throw in a fan favorite. This product has hydrated heads over several decades. This is the Luster's Original Pink Oil Moisturized Lotion. You should use this product for a bomb twist out with tons of definition, and it's also enriched with vitamin E and B5. Well, that's all I have for you, my baby. I hope you enjoyed this video of my March 2020 Curlbox unboxing video. First impression of this box. I haven't used pink products in so long, so I'm interested to see how this will work on my hair. The packaging is kind of underwhelming. I wish they would have put a little bit more thought into the packaging and presented us something a little bit more cute. You're using the name pink, right? So give us some glam, okay? But other than that, I guess I'm okay with this month's Curlbox. Maybe next month they're gonna wow us with something else, but we shall see. But anyways, thank you so much for watching, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you hit that subscribe button on the way in, thank you, my baby. If not, hit that subscribe button on the way out. Until next time, my loves, stay tuned.